Students, what is a sentence? We talk and express in sentences, but have we ever thought what is a sentence? Students, what is a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. We can categorize sentences based on their purpose and their structures. Let us read about types of sentences. The sentences and its types. There are 4 types of sentences. Number 1 is assertive or declarative sentences. Number 2 is interrogative sentences. Number 3, imperative sentences. And number 4, exclamatory sentences. Let's read about them one by one. So, number 1 is declarative sentence. It makes a statement. When you make a statement, it is a declarative sentence. They tell us something. They give us information and they normally end up with a full stop. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. Let us look at the examples. See the positive ones. I like coffee. The same sentence can be said in negative form also. I do not like coffee. We watched TV last night. We did not watch TV last night. So, declarative sentences are the most common type of sentences. Then we come to number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something. They want information and they always end with a question mark. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Interrogative sentences can be positive or negative. Let us look up the examples. The positive, do you like coffee? See, it is ending with a question mark. So, question has been asked, do you like coffee? And in negative form, it will be like that, don't you like coffee? So, the same question is asked in a negative way. Don't you like coffee? See the second example. Why did you go? Again, it's ending with a question mark. Why didn't you go? That is in negative form. Why didn't you go? Now we come to the third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences give a command. They tell us to do something and they end up with full stop or exclamation mark. The usual word order for the imperative sentence is base verb. Note that there is usually no subject because the subject is understood. It is you. Imperative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Number 1, positive sentence, stop. And the negative is do not stop. See, the both sentences are ending with exclamation mark. Let's see the second example. Give her coffee. So there's a sense of command, give her coffee. And the negative will be don't give her coffee. Don't give her coffee. And it's ending with full stop. So imperative sentence end with the full stop or an exclamation mark. Now we come to the fourth type of sentence, that is exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences express strong emotions or surprise. An exclamation and they always end up with an exclamation mark. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. Look at these sentences. What a liar he is. See the ending with exclamation sign. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. So you can see with what adjective liar is there plus noun plus subject. And what an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. So with this you come to know there are 4 types of sentences. And what are these sentences? That's all about sentences. Thank you.